fun and educational.
Such a good way of us networking and connecting with other clinicians.
It's been a really great day. I think for me, I'm a lab technician, so without a doubt the lab day was the highlight for me. I think seeing the speakers, connecting with the technicians. We actually had several dentists in our slot, which shows what labs are doing, and I think the quality of the lectures and seeing how this connected dentistry, modern digital workflows, how it's all bringing everybody together.
But really what I took away, as with all of the peers events, is the community, the collaboration, the connection that we have from delegate to staff, to mentor, to KOL. This is a fantastic event where we come together, we share the expertise, we look at the research, we look at the science, and together we grow.
So I've been to a lot of events, taught at a lot of events. I feel like DS World does one of the best jobs of making it fun and educational, but also an emphasis on the fun. I feel like it really brings that together, and you need that to keep people lively and engaged to actually learn, and this does a phenomenal job.
Such a good way of us networking and connecting with other clinicians. Dentistry can be a really lonely job at times, so to be able to come out and meet people from across all the specialties in our field is a truly amazing event.